Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer class. I hope you all are fine at your home and you all are enjoying your summer vacations very well. आप लोगों ने समर कैंप भी अटेंड किया होगा, है ना? आई न्यू इट। आप लोगों ने समर कैंप भी अटेंड किया है और आप लोगों ने बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें भी सीखी हैं। आई नो। But now it's a time to get back to our studies. Okay? Before the summer vacations, we are completed our UT syllabus in which our chapter number 1, chapter number 7 and chapter number 8 is done with exercise. But now today we are going to discuss about a new topic. Okay? Our new chapter which is chapter number 5. More on PowerPoint 2013, in which we read how we create the presentation, why it is useful, and which components are used to make our presentation more attractive and creative. Okay? Yes, our chapter is more on PowerPoint 2013. Now let's start reading. You know that the Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. Yes, the PowerPoint is a presentation software. It is a part of Microsoft Office. It is a part of Microsoft Office and it creates and edits the presentation for slideshow, meetings and web pages. Yes, it creates and edits the presentation for the slideshows, meetings and web pages. A presentation is a structured delivery of information. The meaning of this line is that आपके जो ideas और informations होते हैं, whenever we collaborate that both the things, we have to structure them in a presentation to convey our message or our ideas or our views to our audience. We use the presentation software. It is a systematic display of information along with the graphics, animation and sound. Yes, in the presentation there is an advantage or some components are given, like we add the graphics also, we add the animations and sounds to our presentation that are displayed together on the screen and which provides an attractive display to our audience. Microsoft PowerPoint helps you to structure the ideas and information. जैसा कि हमने अभी previously पढ़ा कि it structures our ideas and informations that you want to convey to your audience, and it lets you to create the contents of your presentation by typing. हम अपने contents को presentation में show कर सकते हैं by typing the text in it, by inserting the picture in our presentation, by adding some sounds and animations to it also. With it, you can add the visual images also, which supports our document, and audio recordings to our presentation. Some of the other presentation softwares are the Harvard Graphics and Lotus Freelance. Yes, the Harvard Graphics and Lotus Freelance are the there are so many softwares to make our presentations. Okay, so these are the one of these also a presentation software. What are the uses of these presentations? A presentation is a method of effective communication. अपनी ऑडियंस के साथ कम्युनिकेट करने का एक इफेक्टिव तरीका है, एक इफेक्टिव मैथड है प्रेजेंटेशन. Teachers and professors, students, political leaders and sales representatives makes the presentations to explain the various concepts to the audience. Yes, it is useful to explain the concepts to the audience. Okay? PowerPoint slides. A presentation consists of the number of slides. एक proper slide में क्या होते हैं, एक presentation क्या होती है, number of slides होते हैं उसमें, collection of the number of slides. A slide, a single slide represents a page in a presentation, and these slides are grouped together in a sequence to form a slide presentation or form a slide show. A slideshow is an electronic presentation. Slideshow क्या होता है? एक electronically presentation होती है हमारी informations की, which can be displayed on the computer screen in front of us. A presentation can also be reproduced on a transparency sheet or a paper. Presentation हम transparency sheets और papers पर भी दे सकते हैं. But the PowerPoint presentation is the electronically method to present our information or ideas to display it on a computer screen. Yes, students, the one of the most important thing is that the idea of the PowerPoint came from the mind of Bob Gaskins. Yes, the Bob Gaskin is the person who gives the idea to create the PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint has changed the very method of teaching and other presentations. Yes, it changed the methods of teaching, because with the help of presentation, when a teacher gives a presentation to the children, it is very easy to learn the new things. Now PowerPoint window. Let us look at the PowerPoint window beta. See, this is your PowerPoint window in which some components are given in front of you. See, this one is your, what is this? This one is your quick access toolbar. Means जिन टूल्स बार के आपको ज़रूरत पड़ती है वो आपको यहाँ पर मिलेंगे. क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, द नेम डिफाइंस द क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, जिनको आपको क्विकली एक्सेस करना है. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज योर ribbon, in which see the components are given. This one is your file tab, in which there are some options are given. Whenever you click on the file, you have to see the save as, open options are given. And this is your slide, this is your page, single page. And see beta, this is your ribbon, अभी मैंने आपको बताया. And these are the tabs of ribbons, ठीक है. And this one is your window, on which we can say that this is your slide, and this is a placeholder, or we can say this is the space on which you have to write your text which you want to display on the presentation. And this one, see the red strip, this one is your status bar, which tells you what was the status, what are you doing on, or which programs are currently in use at present. Okay, so beta, the PowerPoint 2016 is the latest version of your Microsoft PowerPoint. So now in this introduction हमने क्या पढ़ा? The PowerPoint is mainly used to create our presentations more attractive and creatively, and we use the presentation to convey our ideas or informations together to display on the computer screen in front of our audience. Thank you.